my book, and then we swap the wheels, run them over to Continental. They will put new tires on, then we'll bring them back here, tape the weights, take the air out, fill the nitrogen pressures again, go back in the rack as in order, wait for the next round on the car.
How many sets of tires are you going through?
We'll use the race is done. We got 6, you're only allowed to have 6 sets of wheels mounted at one time and 2 sets of reins, so we got to rotate 6 sets of wheels out for 30 times. So
pretty crucial that you keep all that